In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change refresh rate EAFC 25. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly customize the refresh rate when playing FIFA or EAFC 25. You will be able to change the refresh rate from the lowest available all the way to the highest that your monitor supports. So this can be done by accessing the game settings. So before going into a match, going into a lobby alone or with your friends, go into the settings from the home screen. You will have plenty of options, and then one that you are looking for is going to be game settings. So when you go into the general settings, choose the game settings category. Inside of game settings, you will be able to browse through various options, and on display configuration, which should be accessible by pressing R1 and L1 or the bumpers, you will find refresh rate. So to keep it simple, go into the settings, game settings, choose display configuration at the end, and you will find refresh rate. Now, the first thing that you will notice is that you will be able to slide to the left and right to change this. If this option is grayed out, you have to make sure that the display mode is set accordingly. So you will most likely only be able to manually control this if it is set to full screen. If it is set to windowed or borderless windowed, then this option will get grayed out and you will not be able to manually change it. However, if the display mode is set to full screen, you will be able to control it. Now you can choose between the main refresh rates that they have available. Usually this is going to be 60, 120, 144, and then possibly 165 or even higher, depending of course on your monitor's refresh rate. You can choose any of these options, and of course I recommend choosing the highest available. This will give you the most amount of smoothness and motion clearness. I hope I was able to help you on how to change refresh rate EAFC 25. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.